Hi guys, Braden from Marques Flooring. So today our featured product is the new Frank Python. This is a 10-inch belt sander. It has some of the features that it has. Solid drum, okay, as I just said, 10-inch belt. The weight of this machine is 90 kilos, so quite a heavy machine, so it's going to sand the floor flat. It's nice and smooth. It's got poly wheels, but it actually has 4 wheels, not the traditional 3. It's got 2 on the back there and 2 in the center. It actually runs a, when you undo this, it runs a single belt, so it doesn't actually run 2 belts like normal. It has the 1 belt to run the fan in the machine, which is a cool feature. Has your 2 speeds to start, number 1, 2 and off. It comes to the lead as well, so you've got a 15 amp lead to run the machine on. Quite easy. It's got the quick, drop down handle, so it makes it easy for sanding as well when you're sanding the floor. Yeah, so come in, check it out.